Hedge funds are alternative investment vehicles that have become synonymous with wealth and exclusivity in the financial world. These sophisticated investment funds operate very differently from traditional mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that most people are familiar with. They're designed specifically for wealthy investors and institutions, and they employ complex strategies to generate returns. Understanding hedge funds is crucial for anyone looking to grasp advanced investment concepts and the world of alternative investments. Today, we'll explore what hedge funds are, how they work, and why they're typically reserved for the wealthy. A hedge fund is a pooled investment vehicle that collects money from multiple investors and uses diverse strategies to generate returns. Unlike traditional funds, hedge funds have much more flexibility in how they invest. The term hedge originally referred to strategies that reduced risk, though modern hedge funds may or may not actually hedge their positions. These funds are managed by professional investment managers who use sophisticated techniques to pursue returns for their accredited or institutional investors. Hedge funds employ alternative strategies that go beyond simply buying stocks and bonds. They can use leverage, short selling, derivatives, and invest in a wide range of asset classes including currencies, commodities, and real estate. To truly understand hedge funds, it helps to compare them with mutual funds. Hedge funds are limited to accredited investors who meet specific wealth requirements, while mutual funds are open to all investors regardless of their financial status. Hedge funds have flexible investment strategies and can use leverage, derivatives, and short selling, whereas mutual funds typically follow traditional long-only strategies. The fee structure is dramatically different. Hedge funds charge higher fees using the 2 and 20 model, while mutual funds have lower management fees. Hedge funds face less regulation and operate with more secrecy, while mutual funds are heavily regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and must provide regular transparency. These differences reflect the sophisticated nature of hedge funds and the assumption that their investors can handle greater risk. Hedge funds aren't available to just anyone. To invest in a hedge fund, you must qualify as an accredited investor under Securities and Exchange Commission regulations. There are several ways to meet this requirement. First, you can qualify based on net worth. You need at least $1 million in assets, excluding your primary residence. Second, you can qualify based on income. You must earn at least $200,000 annually as an individual, or $300,000 jointly with a spouse, and you must have earned this amount for the past 2 years with expectation of continuing. Additionally, pension funds, endowments, and qualified institutional buyers can invest in hedge funds. These strict requirements exist to ensure that investors can withstand potential losses from the risky strategies hedge funds employ. The logic is that wealthy investors have enough financial cushion to absorb losses without it devastating their financial security. Hedge funds employ a wide variety of sophisticated investment strategies. Long-short equity involves buying stocks the fund believes are undervalued, while simultaneously short-selling stocks they believe are overvalued, aiming to profit regardless of overall market direction. Event-driven strategies focus on profiting from corporate events like mergers, acquisitions, bankruptcies, or restructurings. Global macro strategies trade based on economic and political trends across different countries and asset classes. Arbitrage strategies exploit price differences for the same asset across different markets or forms. Quantitative strategies use complex algorithms and mathematical models to drive trading decisions automatically. Distressed asset strategies involve investing in troubled companies or debt that's trading below its true value. Each strategy has different risk-return profiles and requires specialized expertise to execute successfully. Hedge funds are notorious for their high fee structure, commonly known as 2 and 20. This means investors pay a 2% annual management fee on total assets under management, plus a 20% performance fee on any profits generated above a certain benchmark. Let's look at an example to understand the impact. If you invest $10 million in a hedge fund and it generates 15% returns in a year, you've made $1.5 million in profit. However, you'll pay $200,000 as the management fee, which is 2% of $10 million. Then you'll pay $300,000 as the performance fee, which is 20% of the $1.5 million profit. That's $500,000 in total fees. These high fees significantly reduce your net returns over time, which is why hedge funds need to consistently outperform to justify their costs. Despite their high fees and restrictions, hedge funds offer several key advantages. First, they provide diversification by giving access to alternative assets and strategies not available in traditional markets. This can help reduce overall portfolio risk. Second, hedge funds focus on absolute returns, meaning they aim to generate positive returns in any market condition, not just outperform a benchmark. This is different from traditional funds that measure success relative to an index. Third, hedge funds are managed by professional managers with extensive expertise and access to sophisticated risk management tools and resources. Finally, hedge funds have tremendous flexibility. They can use leverage to amplify returns, employ short selling to profit from declining prices, use derivatives for hedging or speculation, and quickly adjust positions based on market conditions. This flexibility allows them to potentially profit in both rising and falling markets. Hedge funds come with significant risks and drawbacks that investors must understand. The high fees under the 2 and 20 structure can dramatically reduce net returns over time, especially if the fund doesn't consistently outperform. Limited liquidity is another major concern. Hedge funds typically have lock-up periods during which you cannot withdraw your money, and even after that, redemptions may only be allowed quarterly or annually with advance notice. The complexity of hedge fund strategies can make them difficult to understand and monitor, and this complexity can hide risks that aren't immediately apparent. Lack of transparency is also an issue, as hedge funds face less regulatory oversight and often provide limited disclosure about their holdings and strategies. Additionally, there's manager risk. Hedge funds often depend heavily on the skill of individual managers, and if key personnel leave, performance can suffer. There's also the risk of leverage amplifying losses, not just gains. Hedge funds operate with minimal securities and exchange commission oversight compared to mutual funds. They're structured as private investment partnerships, exempt from many regulations that govern public investment companies. This lighter regulatory framework is possible because hedge funds are limited to sophisticated investors who are presumed to need less protection. Most hedge funds are organized as limited partnerships, with the fund manager serving as the general partner and investors as limited partners. The general partner makes all investment decisions and bears unlimited liability, while limited partners have liability limited to their investment amount. Hedge fund securities are offered through private placement memorandums rather than public prospectuses. Each fund is typically capped at 100 to 500 qualified investors to maintain its exemption from certain regulations. This structure allows hedge funds the flexibility to pursue aggressive strategies, but also means investors have less regulatory protection if things go wrong. Let's recap the essential points about hedge funds. Hedge funds are sophisticated investment vehicles that offer alternative strategies beyond traditional investing approaches. They provide access to unique opportunities like leverage, short selling, derivatives, and diverse asset classes. However, these funds are exclusive, designed specifically for high net worth individuals and institutional investors who meet strict accreditation requirements. The performance focus of hedge funds centers on absolute returns with tremendous flexibility, but this comes at the cost of higher fees and reduced liquidity. Understanding hedge funds is valuable even if you're not yet qualified to invest in them, as they represent an important segment of the financial markets and influence broader market dynamics. As you build wealth, hedge funds might become one option in a diversified investment portfolio, but they should never be your only investment strategy. Remember that higher fees and complexity don't automatically translate to better returns, and many studies show that hedge funds often underperform simpler, lower-cost investment options over the long term.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.